Good afternoon, class. This is just a brief video on how the Jain concept of Anekantavada relates to Jain epistemology. And I have already put one video out there. This is just sort of a follow-up video to that. So we already were introduced to the illustration of the six blind men encountering an elephant, and each of the blind men are at a different location, and therefore their encounter with the elephant is quite different, and they describe a different aspect of the elephant being a different thing. And so this really serves to reinforce the perspectival nature of experience and how experience is multiple, right? So from each different perspective, we get a radically different understanding of an experience of reality. So this is the ontological aspect of Anekantavada, is saying that there are multiple views in the world that exist. And although the analogy just has six blind men and an elephant, you can essentially multiply this exponentially. There are thousands upon thousands of perspectives and views, and this is true about the nature of reality. At the same time, there is truth about reality. So this describes both the condition of reality, which is multiple perspectives, as well as this idea that there is an actual elephant there, and that the what we might say the most complete perspective of reality is actually an elephant, and not what the six individuals describe the partial aspect of the elephant to be. I think one says it's a fan or a snake or a tree trunk. Um, so with the Jain concept of omniscience or all-knowing, in the story, a person with sight encounters the six blind men and the elephant, and the individual observes what's going on and then explains to all of them how, in one sense, they were correct, um, and in one sense, they're what they believed um, was the elephant is inadequate. It's only a partial truth. And this is a fascinating aspect about the concept of Anekantavada, is that is not portraying a relativism of the view, but it is suggesting that the individual who is explaining the totality um, of what is going on uh, dialogues and understands the perspective of others. So this is the aspect that seems to be, in contemporary view, quite encouraging to pluralism. It's not a relativizing of truth, but it is a view that encourages comprehending the views of others. And then also comparing that to one's view of truth in the Jain's context, and then showing how that truth can be partial, can be inadequate at times, but showing how the truth is arrived at, showing the perspectival nature of the truth. So this is, in this analogy, the sighted individual would be the person with omniscience, and so and so this individual would explain reality in its entirety, reality symbolized by the elephant, and then also be familiar with the views of what each individual, each one of the six blind men understood reality to be. So it is epistemological in the sense that it's saying that there are particular perspectives that see reality in a particular perspective, which is partial. So their view is an epistemology, and that is the state of existence, where this perspectivalism or this multiple viewpoints exists. So I hope this helped to clarify some things. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.